Welcome to Mexico. So, we are going to read about holidays around the world in Mexico. Christmas is celebrated in Mexico from December 12th to January 6th. Families shop for gifts, ornaments, and food items in the market stalls called puestos. The weather is warm and mild in Mexico during the Christmas season. People in Mexico decorate their homes with poinsettias, lilies, evergreens, and the nativity scene. They also cut designs in brown paper bags to make lanterns or farolitos. They place the candle inside and then set the farolitos along the sidewalks, windowsills, rooftops, and outdoor walls to light the area with the spirit of Christmas. Poinsettias. One of the most famous Christmas symbols is the poinsettia. It grows in Mexico. In Spanish, it's called Nochebuena for Christmas Eve flower. It is a popular Christmas decoration not only in Mexico, but around the world. We see a lot of them here in our country as well during Christmas. A Mexican legend tells how the poinsettia became the Christmas flower, following a miracle which changed a little girl's offerings of weeds into beautiful red flowers. Los Posadas. Las Posadas is a celebration in Mexico that lasts 9 days. It goes from December 16th to Nochebuena, or Christmas Eve. Each night, families gather together in different homes. The nightly posada reenact Mary and Joseph's search for shelter as they journeyed to Bethlehem. A child dressed as an angel usually leads the candlelit procession. After being rejected over and over, finally a door opens and everyone goes inside for a fiesta, or a party. Piñatas. During the party, they break open a piñata. A piñata is a decorated container filled with treats that's hung from the ceiling or a tree branch. To play the game, children are blindfolded and take turns hitting the piñata with a stick until it splits open. Then the children rush to pick up as many sweets as they can. Have you ever gotten to play with a piñata before? A lot of people have them at birthday parties. Nochebuena. The last posada takes place on Christmas Eve when families gather together and finish setting up their nativity scenes by putting Jesus in the manger. The final festivities often ends with a church service called Midnight Mass. Foods. Traditional holiday foods eaten in Mexico include tamales, buñuelos. I tried to look that up. I can't remember how to say it now. Sorry, guys. But it's like an eclair. All right, it's like an eclair that we eat. And then churros and chocolate caliente. And caliente means hot, so chocolate hot, so hot chocolate. So they have yummy foods just like we do. Three Kings Day. On January 6th, just 12 days after Christmas, the people of Mexico celebrate Three Kings Day, which they call El Dia de Reyes, or Three Kings Day. Traditionally, children receive gifts on this day brought by the three kings. Children in Mexico write letters to the wise men asking for the gifts they hope to receive. The wise men are the three kings. Then, before going to bed on January 5th, they place their old shoes under their bed or their living room, where the wise men, or the three kings, will leave them their presents. The figurines of the three wise men are also added to the nativity scene on this night. On King's Day, families eat Rosca de Reyes. Sorry, I didn't look that one up. I forgot. It's a sweet bread shaped like a wreath with candied fruit on top. That looks yummy. And a figurine of baby Jesus is baked inside. The person who bites into the piece with the figurine inside is supposed to host another party on February 2nd. Holiday greetings. To wish someone happy holidays or Merry Christmas in Mexico, you would say Feliz Navidad. And now you can go and put your stamp on Mexico for your passport, boys and girls, because you have now visited Mexico.